Ja, hallo, hier on back on Chrizlys Modellbau Werkstatt. Today unboxing of the U2R Senior Span, the strategic reconnaissance aircraft from Italy. Kit number is 864. I think about the U2 or TR1 or U1, I think not necessarily talk anymore, because very well known aircraft. This type is a electronic reconnaissance aircraft for the CIA. Yeah, that was it. The decoy sheet very small keeping because the CIA has not used much markings. And serial number, fuel XN 3 doors, that's it. So, yeah, looks not so bad, but for me it seems that this kit is very similar to the U2-822, so the double seater, maybe you remember. In this case, the standard casting kit is the same. They added some additional one for the big antenna, and that's it. So you have all parts for double seater, but you don't need it. So we have here the cockpit, mainframe, wings on top. Here we have this huge radome. Then we're going to assemble a lot of antennas. Yeah, then painted in black, flat black. And that's it. Then some decoys, and there we are. Yeah, about the kit by itself. So windscreen parts are all good casted. As I said, the castings, basic U2 or TR1 castings, with exception of this casting sheet. So there we have a lot of antennas. We have here the radome for the electronical sensors and so on and so on. And all other parts really standard U2 parts. So you see, still for double seater, so you will have a lot of spare parts. Positive lines we have. General is good casted. Fit for function, I cannot say anything about it because I've not built it, but I guess will be good. And as we know, 60 centimeters wingspan, you see it's very huge, and 40 centimeter length. So it will be make a very good shape in your collection. So if you get hand on a U2 or TR1, take it, use it. It will definitely aircraft not all people have, and yeah, so I'm really surprised and understand how it's going to build like. Now I will show you all these parts in detail so you get better impression about positive lines, burrs and so on and so on. And then we are almost done. That was unboxing of the U2 Senior Span from Italy. Kit number is 864, scale 1:48. I hope you have enjoyed it, and yeah, see us next year on Chrizlys Modellbau Werkstatt. Bye.